crucial substance in order to maintain our health of our body, so taking various types of medicine became a common thing as the medications have developed. Among various medications, the most common type is the tablets. The three most common tablet coatings are film sugar coating, entry coating, and modified release, and assimilate in different pH and temperatures. Therefore, our group has investigated the assimilation efficiency of tablets based on the different environments. The sugar coating is a thick and hard coating that surrounds the tablet. It is used to prevent the patients from tasting the bitterness of the medicine and is relatively affordable. The film coating and sugar coating has both features such as eliminating the bitter taste of the medicine and keep the medicine away from light and moisture. The thickness of the sugar coating, which is made out of sucrose, is generally around 0.5 millimeters to 2 millimeters. But the film coating is usually around 20 to 100 micrometers. So this is why many manufacturers prefer to use the film coating rather than sugar coatings. Next, we have enteric coating. There are many uses of enteric coating, some of which are maintaining the stability of unstable active pharmaceutical ingredients, or APIs for short, when exposed to acidic conditions of gastric juices, and minimizing side effects such as nausea and stomach irritation. The coating remains bound at low pH values and begin to dissolve at about 5.0 to 5.5 pH values. In addition, the function of the enteric coating can be greatly affected by many other factors. Secondly, there is modified release, or MR for short. The term is used to describe pharmaceutical products that alter the timing or the rate of release of the drug substance. It can be thought as a mechanism that is used to change the rate of uptake of the API by the body. There are many types of MR drug products, some of which are extended release, sustained release, and delayed release. Extended release dosage forms are formulated to make the drug available over an extended period after administration. Sustained release dosage forms are designed to release drug continuously at a sufficiently slow or controlled rate over an extended period of time. Delayed release drug products release a discrete portion or portions of the drug at a time immediately after administration. These were the questions that we've asked case students. For the first question, the majority of students answered water, followed by juice, milk, and others. For the second question, the majority of students answered well-healed, followed by stomachache, effects of medicine, and others. Our group has also done an interview with SKI's biology teacher, and we were able to gain additional information related to our research.
Since humans coexist with various diseases throughout their lives, varieties of medicines with different mechanisms have been developed to combat those newly found and harmful diseases. Medicines are constructed to fit into their optimum conditions to maximize the efficiency of the absorptions of medicines in the body. In order to achieve this, medicines have different coatings to be suitable for the different optimum environment in the body. The scientific experiment was based on the solubility of pills with different coatings in a different environment of varying pH, which is a scale used to define how acidic or basic the water-based solution is. The hypothesis was that the enteric-coated pill and the film-coated pill will be dissolved in the alkaline environment, which is the environment of small intestine, and the sugar-coated pill will be dissolved in the acidic environment, which is the environment of stomach. The experiment was followed by the procedure, which was to put different pills in each acidic and alkaline environment. As you can see in the picture, the enteric-coated pill, modified release pill dissolved in the alkaline environment more than in the acidic environment. Sugar-coated pill dissolved more in the acidic environment than the alkaline environment. Our group has found out that each different coatings of the pill have their own optimum environment to maximize their effect, especially pH. Tablets are one of the most convenient form of drugs which allow the patients to cure disease in the body. Our group has concluded that each different coatings of pill has been constructed differently to make those pills to be dissolved in a particular place in the body to maximize the effect. By this research, our group has proven that the tablets with different coatings have their own optimum environment where they could fully be dissolved in order to obtain the full efficacy. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Thank you guys all for attending to my birthday party.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. There are a lot of delicious foods, so have a lot.
Thanks.
I'm so full.
Say,
I think my stomach hurts, so I'll go to the toilet. Guys, I went to the toilet, but I didn't manage to receive the call of the nature. I think I'm having constipation.
that sounds bad. Are you okay? I have a constipation medicine. Do you want to take it? Take it. There's a drink here. Take it.
Why can't I take a dump even though my stomach hurts? Don't be surprised, my friends. I'm a medicine fairy. I'm here to tell you guys about the mistake that your friends have made, which make the medicine to not perform its effect. Can you guys see? The medicine is nowhere to be found in the small intestine, isn't it?
That's true. Where did the medicine go?
The drink you gave to your friend was a pH 8 drink. This made the coating of the medicine to melt before it reaches the small intestine, which made the medicine to not perform its effect. You always must be alerted about the precautions of the medicine. Mistaking the medicine can cause damage on your body.
Oh, I got it now. You take the medicine after knowing all the precautions of the medicine.
Sorry, I didn't know about it.
No, do not apologize. We didn't know it either.
Since you all know it now, please make sure to look for precautions and then take the medicine. Bye!
Since we all know the important information of the medicine, From now on, let's be cautious when taking the medicine.
Okay.
Let's take the medicine in correct manner now.
Okay, I think the medicine is finally working. And I think I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Bye-bye.